Hey there, sociologist. It's Mrs. Grasso, and it's your first day of school. Welcome back. I just wanted to briefly go over what Cohort 1 is doing while they are home and what Cohort 2 will be doing on Thursday when they are home. So, on Wednesday, September 16th, everybody should have already been invited to our Google Classroom page. So, whether you're in Cohort 1 or Cohort 2, you should be able to see what's going on Google Classroom. So cohort 1, this part is specifically for you, and again will be for cohort 2 on Thursday. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to the classwork and go to the first assignment. Now we're looking at my screen, so it's not bolded like it will be on your screen. It'll be the only thing. But what you're going to do is cohort 1, you're going to fill out the attendance form. So you're going to click on this. It's just going to ask you a couple of questions. If you don't fill out the attendance, then I can't count you as being present in my class. So please make sure that every day that you are not in my room that you're doing the attendance form. So then cohort 1, what you're going to do is this get to know you Google form. So just some quick questions. Please make sure you're answering this last question. That is a question for me, so I can answer it the next time I see you. So again, cohort 1 on Wednesday, September 16th, you're doing your attendance form and your getting to know you form. On Thursday, September 17th, cohort 2 will be doing the same exact thing, the attendance form and the get to know you form. And we'll be going over what you guys are doing on Friday. There'll probably be another video. I hope you guys have a great first day. I look forward to seeing all of you.